What's up, bull market bully family? Imagine owning a piece of technology so cutting edge it could redefine industries, from healthcare to finance. Today we're diving into IonQ, a leader in quantum computing. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the bull market bully community. Stick around for a bonus tip about IonQ that could give you an investing edge. Company summary. IonQ is a pioneer in quantum computing using trapped ion technology to build advanced quantum computers. Traditional computers are hitting their limits with complex problems. Quantum computing steps in, solving calculations they can't handle. IonQ's customers include major corporations and research institutions tackling challenges in logistics, AI, and materials science. Quantum computing is becoming an essential tool in today's data-driven world. Financial overview, revenue, profit margins, and growth rates. Let's break down the numbers. IonQ is in its early stages but shows impressive growth. Quarterly revenue is up over 100% year over year. IonQ isn't profitable yet, with operating margins at negative 428%. They've got $365 million in cash and minimal debt. Compared to IBM and Google, IonQ's lean approach stands out. Analysis of market trends and competitive landscape. The quantum computing market is projected to grow to $125 billion by 2030. IonQ's trapped ion technology offers higher accuracy and scalability compared to competitors like IBM. Partnerships with Microsoft Azure and Amazon AWS strengthen its market presence. Their expanding patent portfolio is a solid moat against competition. Despite IBM and Google's resources, IonQ's agility and innovation make it a serious contender. Looking ahead, IonQ has multiple growth drivers. Their $54.5 million contract with the U.S. Air Force Research Lab solidifies their credibility. The launch of their Quantum OS and Hybrid Services suite opens doors for enterprise adoption. Challenges remain as the technology is still in its infancy, and scaling quantum systems presents hurdles. With a strong cash position and strategic focus, IonQ is well equipped to navigate these hurdles. Investment strategies. Is IonQ a buy? Trading near its 52-week high, it reflects investor optimism. For long-term high-risk investors, IonQ could be game-changing. If it dips below $40, it's a strong entry point. Final grade. Considering their financial growth and position in a rapidly expanding market, I rate IonQ an A- for long-term investors. The potential rewards could be astronomical if quantum computing delivers on its promises. Here's the bonus tip I promised. IonQ recently acquired Qubitekk, adding 118 patents related to quantum networking. This positions them as a leader in quantum internet, a potential multi-billion-dollar market. This isn't fully priced into the stock yet, so keep it on your radar. Thanks for watching, bull market bully family. If you found this review valuable, smash that like button, share this video with your investing crew, and subscribe for more insights. Drop a comment below. Do you see IonQ leading the quantum revolution? Until next time, keep hustling and stay bullish.